Welcome back, my friend. Today we have Samsung A8 2016 screen replacement. Heat your screen at 250 degrees Celsius for every 30 seconds and do it whenever you need. Use your heat gun at 250 Celsius degree to heat the screen and remove it with plastic tools like I used and with the one to push the screen out. Take your time while you're doing this. We don't need to break the screen or damage it or doing anything to it. So take your time. We will meet you in 2.8 minutes. Remove the screen a little more. Now remove flex cable. Always test your LCD before assemble. It's better to check it. Sometimes the screens come with damaged, so you need to test the touch screen if it's working very good or not. Otherwise we will replace it before assemble. Remember, as you can see, we can now test it with this code. Everything seems good. Now we can assemble the device. It's better to test all the dots of the screen. As you can see, I'm testing everything. Now let's start assemble the device pack. Remove the blue sticker. Easy when you remove it. Okay. This screen comes with no adhesive to the border of the screen, so I had to clean the border of the device to make sure it will fit very good. The ear speaker piece, this is like the filter of the ear speaker. Don't forget to put it to the new screen and clean it. And then after this I'm going to put adhesive to the new LCD because it came without adhesive. Okay. Careful where you put the adhesive. Don't put it near the camera or the sensors or the speaker or the back keys or recent keys. This is very important because you will stop that reaction of this button. As you can see, we are just putting the adhesive to all of the border just in a small amount. After this, we will just assemble the new screen. No more, no less. Okay, let's now put the new LCD and push it to the adhesive. The device couldn't work because it was working, so I had to press power button, volume down and home button all together until you see this, and then volume down to cancel the download mode, and then wear the device until it's working. This is was for today. I hope you got something new, and don't forget to subscribe for me. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye. You wanna thank me? By like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.